Let's talk a little bit about being self-reliant.
Hey y'all, it's Crypto Mom.
Oh Lord, I'm terrible.
God, hell, I hardly ever have a plan.
Get your mind out of the gutter.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I'm still recording.
One reason I love gardening so much is because I don't have to depend on anybody for my food. I know that I can depend on myself. We have been through so many things and journeys over the past 10 years. Oh my gosh, we started out with just a few rabbits, and then the rabbits multiplied really fast. Uh, and then we journeyed on to getting pigs and raising registered large black pigs. And then we moved on to a milk goat, and then I got a lot of milk goats, and then we journeyed into a milk cow, and I raised baby calves, a bottle fed baby calves. I hand milk twice a day and then bottle fed baby calves. So all of this stuff, like all of these little journeys that we went through with all the different animals and the gardening and canning, all of this stuff has been seasons in our life that we've grown from those. They've all been learning experiences, but the biggest thing that we have gotten out of it is self-sufficiency. We could survive if an atomic bomb went off, or if the power grid is gone, or any kind of zombie apocalypse, or anything that happens. And I think that is really important. I think a lot of people don't know how to garden. They don't know how to hunt. They don't know how to clean animals. They don't know how to raise animals. We didn't half-ass any of it. Every time that we went into a new project, we did it right. We learned, and we didn't take any shortcuts, because being able to rely on yourself there's freedom in that. It's so gratifying just to know that if you had to, you could completely go off grid and be happy. Like I joke about it all the time and say, oh, when the next Great Depression comes, it's going to be enjoyable. But honestly, I really think it will, because those things, all of the things that's required to survive, I enjoy. I like cleaning animals, and I like raising animals, and I like gardening and canning, and just being my own, just independence, I guess. Just being my own person and not having to rely on anyone else for anything. So I think that a lot of people need to learn these skills. I think it's a big gap in between people. This used to be something that was normal. Like everybody knew it was hunter-gatherer. Everybody knew how to do this kind of thing, and we've progressed so much, but we lost sight of that. We've become dependent, and I don't think that's a good thing. So that's just kind of my thoughts for the day. There's so much that comes along with it, though, like things that I take for granted that I know how to do. Like today, I've got to save seed from cucumbers. Not a whole lot of people know how to do that, and it's just a part of my daily routine. So I can't wait to share some of that stuff with you guys, and I hope that y'all learn just a few things, and enjoy it, and take pride in knowing that you could survive on your own if you had to. So I guess that's it. That's just my two satoshis for the day. Bye, guys.